Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you an easy recipe. This isn't going to take but a few minutes. I'm fixing corn in the cob on my Instant Pot. As you can see, I've got them standing up here. I've got them on my little trivet with the legs that are only about that tall, and so the corn is standing up. I've got a cup of water in here with them, and I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to put it on sealing. I'm going to lock it in place, and then let me get you down here, roll you down. All right, turn this around so you can see. I'm going to hit manual, 5 minutes. That's it. Everything is ready. When this finishes, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so it's been, these have come down from pressure for 5 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip the little thing up here and let the steam out. And then right here I've got a bowl with a stick of butter. I'm going to put the corn in here and salt them, put the lid on it, and then this will be for dinner tonight because I'm making several things today. It's Monday. I always tend to cook stuff on Mondays for the week. I'm making a pea salad today, and I'm making chili beans. Chili beans, I've got several recipes on my channel for chili beans. All you have to do is go to your search bar and put in chili beans, food prepping. Make sure food prepping is one word, and it'll pull up all the recipes that I have for chili beans. And pea salad, I am going to do a recipe of that. And then this is the corn. So anyway, I'm going to let the pressure come down from that, put the corn in here, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I had to put the corn in another bowl because it would not fit in the rectangle bowl that I had, and so I've put salt and pepper on it. I've got the, let's see, I've got the butter on here, and I just let the butter melt out on this, and then I'll put the lid on, and I'll shake the bowl, make sure that it's all coated in the butter and the salt and pepper, and then I'll just reheat it tonight for dinner on the next couple days, whatever. And so that's how easy it is. There is nothing to it. You just set it in your Instant Pot, set it for, like I had 6 ears, so I put it in there for 5 minutes. Let it come down. I let it sit for 5 minutes, then let it come down. Put it in your bowl, put it on your plate, do whatever you want to with it. Add butter, salt, and pepper, and you've got some great corn on the cob. And when this time of the year, when corn is 20 cents an ear at the grocery store, this is an easy way to fix it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to things to links of things that you can purchase on Amazon that you may use in your kitchen. And I hope you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.